Hey, what's going on guys, Crimson here, and hopefully I'm going to be getting a GTX 1080 for only $300 on Offerup, and I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me, give it kind of a Christopher Yee feel. And right here I actually have the post, and I'm actually just really excited because for $300 I got this guy down a whole $100, and although the graphics card has been mined on very slightly, and we are going to find out about that by opening the graphics card if we get our hands on it, I'm just really excited to see what we can get for the $300, and this graphics card should be a beast compared to my 980 Ti. So I'm just really excited, and I'm going to be bringing you guys along with me for the first time in an Offerup deal, so this is kind of exciting for me too. Anyways guys, hopefully you guys enjoy the video, and let's get straight into it. Back in my little room, which I call my studio, I basically got the GTX 1080 for $300. I have it right here in my hands, and it's a really good graphics card, and I'm going to be looking at what a used GPU that was mined on looks like in early 2019, because for $300, even if it was mined on, this GPU at most has dust, and that's something that can easily be fixed. So I'm just really excited to go into something that was so cheap and is so powerful. So actually looking at the graphics card itself, this GTX 1080 was not as dirty as I expected it to be. Of course, all fans had a lot of dust underneath them, but you know, that's to be expected out of a graphics card that was being mined out of. It's not going to have, you know, the best maintenance on it. But surprisingly, I'm not sure if I actually showed it or not, the thermal paste was actually really good. The guy probably swapped it out before he sold it, which I think is really good of him, because that means that to some extent, you know, he cared about his graphics cards and he wasn't just using them strictly for mining. So overall, I would say that, you know, the cleanliness of this card, it was pretty good, and at the end of the day, this was definitely a good bargain. For $300, getting a graphics card that wasn't too beat up is definitely a good thing in my book. The overall lesson here is that if someone's selling something for $500, do your research, see if it's really worth the $500. It's used, so you got to take that into consideration. Lower the price down a bit, maybe offer $400, maybe $380. See what you're comfortable with, see what you have on hand, and you know, always look out for a good deal. Negotiate your prices. Never pay full price for what someone is selling. Even if it's a good deal, try to lower them a little bit, because you know, it's used, someone has used that item, it's not new, so you shouldn't be paying, you know, full price or something that someone already got their hands on and used it. Last thing I want to say to you guys is just always stay on the lookout for a good deal on Offerup. A lot of people are afraid of going on the used market, but if you guys just look, there are always really good deals, and you guys could potentially flip it. I'm not saying that you will flip it, but you could, and sometimes there are better things in the used market than there are online. I've bought so many things in the used market like Offerup or Craigslist where it's basically new, but they opened it, or their return policy ran out and they just sold it for a lot cheaper because they didn't want it anymore and they wanted some money back. So always keep your eyes on the open, looking out for those good deals, because they're everywhere. Anyways guys, hopefully you guys did enjoy this video, and if you did, remember to leave a like and a comment down below. Let me know if you guys ever dabble into the used market, and let me know what you guys are currently rocking in your PC. Right now I have a Ryzen 7 1700X, a GTX 1080, and 16 gigabytes of DDR4 RAM, and that's about all I'm rocking on my computer. Let me know what you have down below. Make sure to go check out the Discord down below if you guys want to be part of the tech community. We do a lot of different things in there, and we talk and help each other out all the time. Anyways guys, thank you guys so much for watching, and I will catch you guys next time.